How to add a contact to WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. From here, you can create a new chat, group, contact, community, or a new broadcast on WhatsApp. Now tap on New Contact. Here, you can type in the details of the new contact, such as the first name, last name, phone number, etc. You can also add an extra field such as middle name, nickname, company, department, etc. by tapping on Add Field. You can also add a new contact by tapping on Add via QR code at the end. This will generate a code, and the new contact can add you by scanning the QR code. Following these steps, you can easily add a contact to WhatsApp.